Hey you guys, I was here in the shop working on some boxes and the mailman came and delivered this package. Now this package is some lumber, some wood that I purchased on an auction, and I didn't want to be selfish and open it by myself, so I figured I'll open it with you guys, share a little bit of my day with you. So let's open this box and see what I got. I gotta do it here on the tabletop because my workbench is kind of busy at the moment. I don't want to scratch the wood on the inside. I don't know how it's packed. It has peanuts in it, my least favorite packing material. And oh my goodness, you guys, let me go get the spray bottle to wet this grain and show you. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at this. Let's get it all wet and see what it looks like. I have two pieces here. I'll get the other one out too. All right, I'm just going to spray some water on this so we can see the grain. This is the first piece, and then I'll show you the second one. This is ancient redwood. And whoop, just broke some of the bark off. Look at this beauty. What do you think I should make with it? Let me get the second piece out. Also ancient redwood. I'm gonna wet this one as well. Look at this, you guys, they're book match. Isn't that cool? Isn't that a really cool piece of wood? So cool. It has a lot of figure. The color is fantastic. Cannot wait to make a project out of it. Well, thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I will see you in my next video.